Are you the first person in your family trying to buy a home? Then this video is for you. Here are 3 things you must know. Hi, my name is Angie B and I help buyers throughout the Bay Area turn home ownership into a reality. Today, I want to share 3 things that many first-generation home buyers do not realize. Number 1, you do not always need 20% down. This is probably the biggest myth I hear. Many buyers think they need hundreds of thousands of dollars saved before they can even start the process. And the truth is, there are loan programs that allow buyers to purchase with much less down. Every situation is different, but don't count yourself out before you learn your options. Number 2, building credit is one of the most important first steps. Before you start looking at homes, focus on your credit profile. Paying your bills on time, keeping your credit card balances low, and understanding your credit score can make a huge difference in the type of loan and interest rate you qualify for. A stronger credit profile can save you thousands of dollars over the life of a loan. And if you're not sure where to start, reach out to me. I'll be happy to point you in the right direction. Number 3, having representation matters. Many first-time buyers don't realize how much guidance they need until they're in the middle of the process. Buying a home involves contracts, disclosures, inspections, negotiations, the specific timelines, and a lot of important decisions. Having someone to guide you through the process can help you avoid costly mistakes and feel more confident every step of the way. If you are the first in your family trying to buy a home, just know that you don't have to navigate this journey alone. I'll be honored to help you answer your questions and support you along the way. Home ownership is more than just a purchase. It's a milestone. It's about creating stability, building wealth, and opening doors for future generations. If I can be a part of helping you reach that goal, it would truly mean a lot to me. If you're hoping to become a first-generation homeowner, send me the word first and let's talk about your goals. Even if you're a year or 2 away from buying, creating a plan today can make a huge difference tomorrow. So, what are you waiting for? This is Angie B, your friend in the Bay Area. I'll see you in the next one.